Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in this series of videos I'm going to be showing you what I've bought to date for my survival bag. I don't know if it's a case of age, watching too much Walking Dead or watching the news. Either way, I decided it was a good idea to put together a survival bag. Worst case scenario, I'm ready. On the flip side, we're just going out and enjoy camping with the boys and the family. I'd like to add that I've not been paid for anything you're going to see today. I've not had any freebies. I'm just a normal guy that's enjoyed the process of going out buying the gear. Okay, this review is for the Bahco folding saw. Made in Sweden. Had a look around and it was cheaper in France this time at €18 with free delivery. Comes with its own lanyard and it's a collapsible saw. Okay, let's have a look at this in more detail. As you can see, not very large. It's got its own leather lanyard that it came with, and to open the saw you just press the button and out she pops. I've used this in the garden for cutting branches of about 6 inches in diameter, and it went through them very easy. Gets into nice nooks and crannies that a normal saw couldn't get me into, and this was very useful for the right job. And for €18 you can't go wrong with this. It's going to save on your knives. It's different action from obviously using an axe, so using different muscles, and it cuts through the trees really easy. Folds away lovely, nice and small, not much weight, can't go wrong. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Not only have we got this series of videos, but Naomi's also doing her Filipino kitchen, where there's some wonderful Filipino recipes all presented in English for you to enjoy.